Hello and welcome back to Cricut Maker. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the blade on your new Cricut Maker 4 machine. I'll keep this super simple for you, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our new videos. Alright, let's follow the steps. First, make sure your machine is turned off. Then, open the clamp B. Insert a new blade. Close the clamp and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.